get a headache? Do you want help or we have to go for help? Come across! Come on, we'll get the crew. That's why I said I'm like, sure.
Several years ago, we had a few people that were injured when we used to do the running of the boats. Unfortunately, it was not safe when the numbers got so large. So last year we implemented the pacing and the gradual walking down and placement of the boats. Also because our volunteer base has shrunk over the years and we don't have as many volunteers, so we aren't able to cover as big of an area. So this way it's much more organized, the boats get placed correctly, and everybody's safe. I'm excited that the sun's coming out. It's going to be a beautiful day. We've had rain, 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 and it's supposed to rain after race day. So God's been good to us, giving us sunshine for race day and for placing the boats tonight.
Good luck.
Bow on the orange line. Hold on, buddy. Turn that way. At an angle.
Ash.
Should we turn them upside down?
Yeah.
Catch your hands.
Ash.
Water.
Come on.